Hi bonsai loving friends, you are now watching videos of Abani Nath at the rate Abani Nath bonsai tree. In these videos, I have tried to share my experience and knowledge as a bonsai grower with demonstration of practical things which I hope will help a lot to the new beginners to go ahead with their mission. As regards bonsai, as I do understand, bonsai is an art of dwarfing trees with some artistic view by careful trimming of roots and branches coupled with some restriction on food. Now I tell you about some classification about bonsai which have set out by the experts for making difference between one bonsai with other. This is a bonsai. The height of this bonsai is around 23 inches. The age of this bonsai is around 40 years. This is evident from the trunk, roots and the shape of the bonsai. This is called a double trunk bonsai, as from the base twin trunks have gone upstairs. As set out by the experts, they have classified bonsai in three groups as per height. The first one is from 12 inches and up to 24 inches. The bonsai is called big bonsai. This is a big bonsai because the height of this bonsai is 23 inches. Now come to the next. This is a bonsai. The age is around 7 years. The style is called plant on rock. Either on a rock or a broken temple, the plant is planted. So this is called rock planting. This is a bonsai. The height of this bonsai is approximate 9 inches. I have told you about the big bonsai. Now this is the second stage. The bonsai, the height of which is above 6 inches but up to 12 inches, is called medium bonsai. So this is a medium bonsai. This is a medium bonsai. The classifications are made as per size to differ one bonsai from another. So I have shown you two different sizes, one big bonsai and another medium bonsai. Now I am showing you a miniature bonsai. This is a mini bonsai. Age is around 2 years only. The name of the plant is Ficus chinesis. Chinese banyan. This is only double trunk, twin trunk bonsai, and height is only 5 inches including this pot. So the height of the plant, as you see, is only 3.5 inches, maximum 4 inches. So this bonsai is called mini bonsai. The height of which bonsai is from 3 inches up to 6 inches. This is called mini bonsai.
Start.
This is a tamarind. The age of this plant is only 2 years. I have collected this from an air layering, and the style of this plant is semi-circle or slanting, whichever you can, or even bush type. This is under training, so I have not planted this in a final pot, which is waiting. This is a bonsai of medium size. I shall show you 1-2 more samples for your information.
Start.
Now guys, I have given some demonstration and some clarification about bonsai. I shall tell you about bonsai style in my next videos, as it would not be wise to give every information at a time which may confuse you. So now for any operation we need some instruments. For the bonsai or bonsai beginners, we need some instruments. The instruments are mainly which we use in the gardening purpose are sufficient for the beginners. In this, we need one cutter for branch cutting. We need one scissors for cutting branches and leaf, etc. and roots. One cutter for wire cutting. One trowel for removing soil from the base root. One knife. One watering can or sprayer, like this. I never encourage any new bonsai grower buying any costly kits, any bonsai kits, as if anybody give away their hobby in future, those would be useless. So I think I have been able to give you some information about bonsai, and today is the preface. So in my next bonsais and next videos, I shall give you different information about style, soil preparation, trimming, wearing, the bonsai process. The bonsai process, I tell you everything. So this for today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.